In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in ClickUp. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google, then select your Google account to log in. If you see any prompts from your browser or Google, just follow them and you'll land right inside your workspace. Once you're in, head to your team space, the space you want to work with for this diagram. Next, open the project where you want to build the flowchart. With the project open, go to its View area so we can choose how we want to visualize things. From the list of available views, select Mind Map. This is the feature we'll use to create the flowchart structure. At the top, rename the mind map so it's easy to recognize. Type something like flowchart or any title that clearly describes your process. Before we add anything, you'll see there are two modes for mind maps. Tasks mode syncs directly with your existing tasks, which is great if you already manage work in ClickUp. Freeform lets you start from scratch without affecting your task list. For this tutorial, choose Freeform so we can design the flowchart freely, then confirm Freeform is selected. Click the starting box in the center, this is your root node, and type the name of your flowchart or process. Now let's begin building out the steps. Click the plus sign to add your first level of nodes, and enter a few high-level items like Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. Think of these as the main stages or decision points in your flow. To add more detail under a stage, click Task 1 to focus it, then click the plus sign to add subtasks beneath it. Type Task 1.1 and add another for Task 1.2. These child nodes represent steps, checks, or outputs tied to that stage. You can repeat this pattern as your process requires. You can reposition anything to make the flow easier to read. Click a node and drag it to arrange branches logically. Spacing your items evenly helps the connectors stay clear. Now select Task 2, click the plus sign again, and add Task 2.1 as a substep. If you need to fine-tune the layout, click and drag nodes until the path reads left to right or top to bottom, whichever best matches how your team thinks. That's it. You've navigated to your space and project, opened the mind map view, renamed it, chosen freeform, added core stages and detailed substeps, and arranged everything into a clean, readable flowchart ready to share or evolve with your team.